Good day, I'm Andrea Chisholm and this is your JIS News for Thursday, August 21. The Planning Institute of Jamaica, PIOJ, has released data showing that the Jamaican economy continues to grow.
Real gross domestic product in the Jamaican economy grew by an estimated 1.2% in the April to June 2014 quarter, compared with the corresponding quarter of 2013.
The positive economic results were driven mainly by growth in agriculture, forestry and fisheries, and the hotel and restaurants industries. In the goods-producing industry, agriculture increased by 12.5% and the construction by 1%, which outweighed declines of 0.6% in mining and quarrying and 0.3% in manufacturing. In the services industries, hotel and restaurants, transport, storage and communication, and wholesale and retail trade were the strongest performers. The PIOJ says the output for the April to June period reflected the impact of improved weather conditions as well as initiatives aimed at increasing productivity, such as the agri-parks and strategic implementation of projects in road and hotel construction, as well as increased demands in industries such as tourism. Meanwhile, the PIOJ says the economic outlook for Jamaica over the short to medium term is strong.
This is based on the continued strengthening of productive activities in most industries, as indicated by data available for July 2014.
The PIOJ Director General says GDP for the July to September quarter is expected to grow in the range of 0 to 1%. He says market confidence is also projected to strengthen following the completion of the 5th IMF quarterly review and greater stability in the macroeconomic environment. The tourism product development company TPDCO is spearheading several projects geared towards the transformation and redevelopment of some of the island's resort areas and attractions. While addressing a recent JIS think tank session, Executive Director of the TPDCO, Dennis Hickey, said the projects would enhance the country's tourism product and visitor experience. The resort town of Ocho Rios, for example, is now undergoing major transformation through the phased implementation of an enhancement project.
If you go into Ocho Rios, you will see where the pier road, the road leading from the port, is now being transformed into a major promenade which allows pedestrian traffic in an atmosphere of the best experience you can imagine.
In Falmouth, the TPDCO is actively working with the Urban Development Corporation and the Port Authority to undertake major work at the port, including infrastructure and facade development. Other transformational work will be done along the Savlamar to Negril roadway, while attractions such as the Milk River Bath in Clarendon, Bath Fountain in St. Thomas, and Devon House in Kingston will also undergo upgrading works. The Ministry of Health has confirmed 7 additional cases of chikungunya. Director of Emergency Disaster Management and Special Services, Dr. Marion Bullock-Decas, says the positive results were received on Wednesday from samples sent to the Caribbean Public Health Agency. This brings the total number of confirmed cases for Jamaica to 17, 14 from local transmission, 2 imported, and 1 that's still under investigation because of the individual's travel history. The affected parishes remain St. Thomas, St. Catherine, St. Anne, and Kingston and St. Andrew. The public is again urged to help prevent the spread of chikungunya by searching for and destroying mosquito breeding sites. And finally, persons that use the Ministry of Labour and Social Security's Electronic Labour Exchange Division can now enjoy improved services. The ELE's offices were recently renovated and fully equipped with modern equipment at a cost of $8 million in funding from the Inter-American Development Bank. The division forms the core of the Ministry's Labour Market Information System, LMIS, and provides data on labour trends as well as information to help persons market themselves for employment.
The LMIS device, when properly utilized, will function as a one-stop portal for providing linkages between job seekers and employers.
The services offered are free of cost to the users and can be accessed on the internet, telephone, or by visiting any of the Ministry's offices island-wide. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Thank you for watching.